Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of Rasasi. House of Rasasi is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. They've been around for more than 30 years. And I unboxed and reviewed at least about 10 fragrances from them before. And for each of their fragrances, especially for the price, they were very, very impressive. I haven't unboxed and reviewed Rasasi for a long time. So when I saw this beauty for a reasonable price, I had to get it and review and see how it goes. So this is from the House of Rasasi, and this is called Soryani. So this is Rasasi Soryani is pour homme for men. It's 100 ml Eau de Perfume. It came out in 2022. It's a white box, quite nice on the eye. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell good, and they are a hidden gem. And if you want to purchase one of my own perfume, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They're called the scent of Persia because the ingredients come from my country, Iran, Persia. We've been making perfumes for more than 5,000 years. We were the first civilization to do so. So we know few things about perfumes. And they are one of the highest ingredients in the world, if not the best ingredients in the world. I bring them here, mix them together, come up with 20 different perfumes. They're all artistic, unique, mysterious, the highest quality you can get for a price. The first thing it hits you is the super high quality, and they are 100% natural, no additives, no preservatives, no alcohol, no synthetics, just pure perfume oil for you guys in United Kingdom, the lucky ones in United Kingdom. I'll leave them in the link. I'm the perfume and I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in United Kingdom. You don't know how lucky you are. People message me every day, Naz, could you send it to this country, to that country? I have to always say sorry, the post doesn't allow me to do so. Anyway, so let's get on with this video. If you want to buy me a coffee, you could do that in the description as well. Thank you very much, and let's go. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So this one you can find it under £30 in United Kingdom. And let's see how it is. In terms of box, it's very nice and minimalistic and very good quality. And let's see the perfume. Oh, the bottle itself is very good looking. Okay, so it's a very heavy bottle. Very, very thick, heavy bottle. It says Rasasi Soryani pour homme. Is 100 ml and is square with some nice design to it on the corners. The cap is very, very heavy. It's a mixture of metal and plastic, and the atomizer is modern and silver. And here we go, the atomizer. Good atomizer, very good. It's not pressurized, but it's very, very good. Okay, so how is Rasasi Soryani pour homme Eau de Perfume 100 ml. And here we go, first sniff, first impression. Wow, what a smell, beautiful. It opens up like a beautiful perfume, no synthetics, no harshness, no alcohol. It's just beautifully open. I smell tea in here, wow, it's a big note of tea. Yeah, I smell big note of tea in here. So first thing it hits me is the citruses. It's a very, very big on the citrus. I can smell bergamot, I can smell grapefruit, and I can smell mandarin orange if not mistaken. Yeah, and lime. Wow, this is very, very citrusy. So super zesty, sweet. The sweetness from 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, is around 6 to 7 right now. So for the first impression, the sweetness is 6 to 7. And it's mainly come from fruits. It's very fruity, But let me see if there is a vanilla in the base. It's not vanilla, it's sweet, but it's not vanilla. So mainly coming from the fruits in here. And I can smell some apple. Wow, beautiful. I can smell apple, I can smell pear, I can smell something like a stone fruit. Maybe there's a peach in here as well. So apple, peach, and pear, or similar fruits to these ones. Very, very fruity, and it's quite juicy. Mid is dominated by florals. Very, very floral in the mid. Yeah, definitely I smell aromatics. Definitely I smell some rose, but the rose is not big. It's just mainly in the background right now. And also it's a little bit on the powdery side, so I'm expecting it to be lily of the valley, to give it that little bit of powderiness. Overall it's quite a white floral dominant as well. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. It's got a watery aspect to it, but water is here is not oceanic, is not sea salty, it's quite fresh water. But I'm smelling something like a tea, and also something like a bamboo, giving it a little bit of that water lily feel. It feels like a water lily to me, so it's water lily, bamboo, tea smell like to it. Hint of greenness, hint of leafiness, hint of grassiness, but again it's not too much. The grass and the greenness is mainly right now in the second place. And also it's quite ambery, and the amber in here is quite effervescent, it's quite light, it's quite bright, it's quite fluffy. It's not a deep dense amber. Overall it's a little bit of muskiness to it as well from at the moment for the beginning. So a little bit musky feel to it as well. But what a smell, it opens gorgeous. So what to take from this first impression? First thing, huge citrus. I smell bergamot, I can smell lime, I can smell lemon, I can smell grapefruit, and I smell orange. So very, very zesty, very fruity, zesty, citrusy, sparkly, very, very happy, very inviting, very captivating. And the mid is dominated by florals. I can smell jasmine, sorry, lily of the valley, I can smell rose, and I can smell a little bit of powderiness, which is probably coming from lily of the valley. In the base is woody, and the woods are very, very clean. I smell cedar sandalwood combination, which is very, very clean. It's got a little bit of grassy feel to it, grassy green feel to it, and also a little bit watery. And the main watery smell I'm smelling right now is a fresh water, and it smells like bamboo, smells like tea, smells like water lily. Okay. Overall it's quite ambery, and the amber is very, very effervescent and happy and fluffy and basically transparent amber. It's not a deep dense amber, and also a little musky overall to it. So for a first impression, yes, especially for a price under £30, this is very, very well done. It doesn't remind me of anything in particular. I won't say it's unique, but it's nothing that I smelled before, or at least for my experience, my nose, my age. I smelled maybe 4,000 or 5,000 perfumes so far, but it doesn't remind me of anything in particular right now. If it reminds me of anything, I will let you know in the next video. In the next video I'll let you know the longevity, the development, and if it's similar to something else. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. A hint of familiarity to it, but not too much. It could easily be unisex, although it says pour homme on it and it's aimed for men, but it easily could be unisex because the smell of it is very universal. Ladies and men easily can wear it. It's bang in the middle, very, very unisex. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because although the DNA is very, very friendly in here, it's very summery, friendly, fresh, happy, sweet, citrusy, floral, woody. All of these things makes it happy and friendly, but because it's got a complexity to it, I say it's better suited for a little bit of mature nose, maybe 25 and up to be in the safe side. In terms of season, this is better suited for warmer weather. This is very, very fresh, very happy, very uplifting, very inviting. So it's very, very good for summer. Although it's got a depth to it, you can use it all year round. But at the moment, it seems like a summer better suited application for it. In terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, anything you want. Smells very, very good. Smells actually quite opulent, but because the price is right and it doesn't break the bank and it's very accessible, it's very affordable, you can use it anytime, anywhere you want. Okay, guys. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And this one looks like a hidden gem. If it lasts a good amount of time, this is definitely a hidden gem. If you want to support me by buying one of my own perfumes, you live in the United Kingdom, you could do that. You don't know what you're missing. There are highest quality ingredients you can get for a price. Definitely, they smell very, very expensive because the ingredients are one of the best in the world. And I mix them together to come up with 20 different perfumes. They're all unique, they're all artistic, they are very, very mysterious. They take you different places, different times, and they are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, amazing. You have to smell it to know how, you know, what it is. Okay, I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.